College life is full of surprises and thrill. Brayford Wharf LN5 is student accommodation located in the center of the city of Lincoln cannot be more perfect for anybody wishing to live the dreamy Londoner's life. This place offers you a lavish ensuite apartment where you can enjoy the solace of a private room and a clean bathroom. The room comprises a personal bed, a large study desk, and a spacious wardrobe as well. The apartment consists of a shared kitchen complementing it, with modern appliances like a microwave and fridge, and also a fully furnished dining area made comfortable with sofas and a television installed in it. The distance from well-renowned universities such as Lincoln University and Bishop Grosseteste University makes it ideal for students as it requires less than 10 minutes to be there. For all the explorers out there, the Lincoln Guildhall and the Engine Shed event venue are a short stroll away from the residence. For all the social animals, the place has some exciting bars and clubs, such as the Pub William IV, Red 5, and the Dandelion only 5 minutes away on foot. What are you waiting for? Visit amberstudent.com and secure your spot now.